name is Carrie. I'm so very. Oh my Miss Carrie.
Alright, let's get into it. Get into it. If you don't know, my name is Carrie, Miss Carrie, baby. It's one of the scores to follow me on IG. Alrighty, guys. So we are back with another hair review. So let's get into it. Get into it. So today we're gonna be reviewing Iseehair Half Wig Burmese Curly. Ooh. Alright guys, so if you know anything about me, I love me a half up, half down curly wig. Like I love it. I used to like make my own, which I still do, but once I seen this, like a just throw on wig, I'm like, yeah, I have to try it out. Alrighty guys, so this is the box that the hair came in. It came in a little beat up, but that's okay. But you know your girl love pink. So it came with a lot of things inside of this box. First, as you can see, it started off with the instructions on how to take care of the hair. It also came with this wig band, and then the hair also came inside this little silk pouch, which is really cute, that says Iseehair. So these are just some contents that they included within the box. So let's see everything that we got. Ooh, it came with a lot of stuff. Okay, so let's get into it. So first thing first, have is a edge brush, which I absolutely love, love it. It's hot pink, cute. Next we have a ISEE Beauty wig band, which is really cute. Oh my god, you guys can't see because of the glare. Let me straighten up a little better. Okay, there you go. Iseehair Beauty. Yes. Alright, next up it came with these cute hair clips, pink and like a little fuchsia. Love these. And next it came with some lashes. Y'all, what's a good hair bundle if it don't come with lashes? Yes, so Iseehair has their own set of lashes. So it came with these lashes. I probably won't use these, but it is a good added touch. Ooh. And next just came with this pamphlet on how to style your particular wig, how to put it on your head, as you can see in the inside, the drawstring, the clamps, everything that comes with the wig. Wig cap. And last but not least, this Princess Iseehair bonnet, which I'm still wearing to this day. Ooh. Alrighty, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into this hair. So as you can see, I ordered the half wig Burmese Curly. As you can see here on the top, says Burmese Curly. I ordered the 24-inch and I also ordered 150 density. Y'all, I feel like this hair is really thick. I don't think I needed to get the 250, but I'll show you guys once I put the wig on. So let's go ahead and take it out of the package so we can see what the hair is looking like. So far, it's looking good, but let's see. Alright y'all, so here's the hair straight out the package, and so far I'm loving it. Like I absolutely love like the little curls you see here on the end. Really cute. So let's go ahead and take the net off. Alright y'all, so here is the hair out of the net, and I'm absolutely loving it. Like, look at the curls. The curls is probably my favorite part about the Burmese curly hair. Now, one thing I can say, it is really shiny to the point where it looks kind of synthetic. It kind of feels a little bit synthetic as well, but for the most part, I love the shine on this hair, and it is super duper soft. Like I absolutely love the softness of this hair. The shininess is a added touch. Like I said, it feels and look a little synthetic, but no baby, this is human hair and it's really soft. Alright, so let's get into the inside of this particular half wig. Y'all, I love this wig because it does come with 4 clips on each side, so you can be able to pin the side, the top, and the back. As you can see, clip here at the top, clip here on the side, and a clip on the bottom. And it also shows like this band where you can be able to tighten it on your hair. Like I just put it on the back of your hair with the band. And then it also comes with this drawstring here on the back, so you can be able to tighten it up or loosen it up as much as you want, which is absolutely tea. Alright, y'all, but that's pretty much my overview of opening up the wig. Like I said, this is human hair. This is 24 inches, 150 density. Yeah, so I have rubbed my fingers through it a little bit more, and it's looking pretty good. Like, these are the ends of the hair, and it looks really good. Like, I'm not for what I paid, maybe $150 for this wig. I think it is well beyond its price, and it's really, really soft, which I love. To go ahead and put this on my head. So let's go ahead and get to the styling part. Oh, alrighty, y'all, so let's get into it. Your girl has washed, blow dry her hair, and I am ready for some styling. So you can see in the front, I just did like a flat twist. I don't really know how to braid that well, so I just flat twisted it in the front, and the rest, I'm just going to put my hair in like a ponytail, as you can see, because with this wig, it's a drawstring half wig. You can take it off, put it on anytime you would like. So I'm just going to put my hair in a ball in the back, and when I really snatch this baby off, I just snatch it off. Alright, that's done. Hair is in a ball, and I have my flat twist in the front, so let's get it. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and take the hair out of the packaging. Iseehair have wig. Alright, this is the wig out of the packaging. As you can see, it still has that shine and the little curly bounce on the end. Oh, okay, y'all, so here's the easy part, is putting the wig on. Thank God I don't have to sew it on like I have to do with the wigs that I make. So now I'm just going to find the band, find all the combs that are at the front and the sides, and just place it on my head. Hope it is not too difficult. Alright, y'all, so first I just take my wig, place it right at the top. Oh, hold up, I gotta go get my mirror. Okay, we back, mirror in tow. So y'all, I'm taking the band, the thick band that's in the inside, and I am placing it on the back of my head, and then I'm going to clamp it up here on the front. Make sure that's all nice and tidy. I'm going to clamp it right here on the side. Make sure that's all nice and tidy, and then I'm going to clip it on the other side. Nice and tidy. Make sure my hair is like stuck. Sometimes I get a little stuck in between the combs, and then I'm going to stick it right back here in the back. Okay, once I got everything clipped down, y'all, just make sure that it's nice and secure. I'm gonna now pull the drawstring to make it a little bit tighter on my head. As you can see, the drawstring here in the back, I just pull it to make sure that it's all nice and tight. Ooh. Yes, we bouncing, honey. Yes, 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 yes. Alright, y'all, so far the wig is on, it's secure, and it's looking real cute. Like, look at the curl, look at the bounce. Like, y'all, I am loving this. Ooh, like, okay, so now I'm going to figure out how I'm going to, like, actually style the hair. So my first thought was to just take down the front, and basically I was just going to curl it over and do, like, a flip over method. But y'all, you'll see how this did not turn out right. But I want to take you through the steps. So I just took down my hair from being flat twisted, and now I have like this little curler. So what I'm going to do is take the small curler and just curl the top of my hair. Ooh. So basically I just took piece by piece and start making like little curls right here in the front of my hair. Okay, first curl coming in, looking fleet. Ooh. Alright, y'all, so let's get to curling the rest of the hair, and then we're going to see what the styling is. Okay, cute. Yeah, I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm loving it. Okay, okay. Okay, last one, y'all. Alrighty, and your girl is done. Y'all look at the curls for the girls, okay? Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair look after I curled it, and as you can see, the curls are not giving. Like, maybe if I put a little bit more effort to it, like blending it a little bit more, maybe flatten iron the top a little bit more, maybe laying down some edges a little bit more, it would have turned out right. But no, y'all, I immediately switched to my half up, half down. I'm used to doing a half up, half down, so I'm like, no, let's just get into that. I was like, no, I don't like this. So what I started to do next is just do what I usually do, a quick half up, half down. Alrighty, y'all, so first thing first, I'm going to grab some edge control. This is the edge booster that you get from the hair store, your regular edge control. Also got some eco styling gel. So I'm going to mix the two, like kind of rub it in my hand and get it on the top of my hair. Okay, y'all, next, after I put the gel and the edge control, kind of rub them in together, put on my natural hair, I start to put like a little gel on my edges. So I try to take my edges out before I do my ponytail. Okay, now next I'm going to separate what I want to hang in the back and trying to take some hair up to the top to put it in my ponytail. I do that before I start to make the ponytail for the top. Just kind of separate the both. Make sure you have enough hanging so you can cover up whatever tracks may be showing in the back so you can lay it down properly. Okay, once everything is settled, I have my hair in the back, I have my pony in the top. I just take like a brush like this. It's a little dirty because I've been using it. But anyway, you take a brush like this and kind of just brush up the hair that you have gelled down. I just try to brush it so it can be like really straight that once I get my ponytail going. Okay, I added a little bit more gel. Make sure you get those edges on the side going because that's really what's going to be loose the most is the side. So just make sure I put a little extra gel here on the side. Alrighty, once everything is gelled down, now I'm going to start to make my ponytail. A little more brushing. Okay, as you can see, hair in the back, laid, pony in the top, laid. Okay, y'all, so what I'm doing here, I'm basically putting the end of the hair in like a little ball or bun. So once you get ready to put on your main ponytail, which is there at the top, you can be able to grip it a little bit better and you won't have to string all of the hair through the ponytail. It'll be a little bit more shorter and easy for you to put it on. So definitely take the end of the hair, put it in the ball, and then go in and make your ponytail as you can see I'm doing now. It makes it a little bit more easier when you're trying to make sure your pony is on nice and tight. See, went through easily. Okay, make sure your pony is on nice and tight, and then you scrunch it down. Scrunch it down so you can make sure it is tight as possible. In there like swimwear. And then I'm going to take down, it doesn't have to be like too tight because I mean technically it is a wig. I don't think it's going to go anywhere being with the clamps, but I will scrunch it down to make sure that my pony is in tow. So here is the pony looking cute. So now guys, after I finish making my ponytail, I am going to take my natural hair. Ooh, yeah. So now guys, I'm going to take my natural hair and I'm going to separate that from the wig. And I'm going to braid that down and wrap it around. Okay guys, so I usually braid my extra hair that is out, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to twist it and then wrap it around the ponytail. Now that it's twisted, I'm going to wrap it around really quickly. Okay, there you have it. I have it wrapped around my ponytail to kind of hide the twisty. And bam, there you go. I got a half up, half down, curly ponytail, Burmese Curly, Iseehair. We're in there. Ooh. Okay, yes, this is looking really, really cute. Like, I love this freaking wig. Like, I absolutely love like the curls that are on the end. And for those of you who wants to kind of keep that curl, I definitely suggest getting like some curl defining mousse. Put some water on it. The curls will last. All right, y'all, as you can see, hair is laid. See, my natural hair is a little bit curly too, so that matches the curly pattern of the hair. It's kind of like my real hair. What are you talking about? Like, cute. Period. Alright, y'all, so this is the final results of this particular hair, and it's looking really good. You know, before I kind of regretted getting like the 180 density, but I'm like, looking at this, 180 is probably all you guys will need. I think the 250 would probably be too much. But look, y'all, look how thick this hair is. Like, I think the hair is pretty thick. I don't think I needed to go with the 250 density. Like, look at the back, like all that hair. I think it's a pretty thick already. Like, look how gorgeous those curls are. Ooh. So as you can see, I'm a pink girl. You can wear this in many different ways. So you can put like a cute little band on top, just like what I'm doing right now. Like, look how cute that is. Like, cute. Call me the pink princess. Ooh. Alrighty, y'all, that will conclude today's video. If you like what you see here in today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.
Oi, 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 oi.